Hello, everybody, and welcome to Swing Trading Channel. Um, Today, we're going to talk about what's going on in the market. Today is January 20th, 2015, and the market has been volatile lately, and a lot of people are saying a lot of things. So, what is really going on? So, let's look at the S&P 500. And One thing I like to do when I decide to buy or sell a stock is you have to look at multiple time frames. And obviously, what I'm doing is swing trading. And For you who are not familiar with what swing trading is, it's basically buying or selling a stock for a period of couple of days. Maybe it extends to maybe over a week or 2 weeks, even sometime. It depends. If it's the market is going in my favor and my stock, I'm buying a stock and it's going higher, why should I sell it just because, oh, I'm a swing trader, I shouldn't be holding it more than 2 or 3 days? What if it kept going on for 10 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks? Should I sell it just because I'm a swing trader? No. What if it moved against my direction in the next 10 minutes? Should I keep it because I should hold the stock for 2 days? No. But the basic idea is this is the timeline usually when you are in a swing trader. This is how long most of your stocks are going to be in your account. That's your trading account. You should have another account for investing, but that's another story. So basically, before I buy or sell stock, you have to look at multiple time frames. And first, I want to decide, should I buy the stock or sell the stock? Okay, is I'm gonna buy it long or sell it short? Am I gonna buy call options or I'm gonna buy put options? So let's see, is the market moving up or down? You tell me. Um, from what, 2012, with a little bit volatile, but it was mainly up. 2013, definitely all the way up. 2014, nothing changed, all the way up. 2015, you see where are we in 2015? Just less than 3 weeks. And it's going down now. So, should I buy or sell this market? Based on the weekly time frame, the market is still moving higher, guys. The trend is high. I know a lot of people like all over the place saying the market is gonna tank, the market is gonna tank. You know what? When the market tank, I will sell it short. But as of now, it is telling me that your bias should be to the upside still. This is the 50-week moving average. Maybe if I put the 20 weeks moving average, just 1 second. And we're gonna change here to 20. Look at this, like, maybe if we make it like, 22 or 25, it's gonna be touching it. It's still going higher. Um, it's going, the direction is up and up and start to getting flat. This is not a signal for you to go and just short everything and start selling everything. This is not a good advice. Now, there is a lot of weakness, I have to admit, in the market. And this is obvious from the indicators. A lot of people like to put, like, you see those, fancy guys about technical analysis, and they scroll down, and the whole thing is just filled with indicators. I wonder why. Like, who has the, mental capacity to process all this information? Just keep it simple as you can. 3, 4, indicators are way more than enough. And volume, by the way, I consider it an indicator. So I have the RSI, I have moving averages. You can actually even move the moving averages, but anyway, people like to trade the moving average. Not because a stock is touching the moving average and it bounced off it so many times before, this means it's gonna bounce off it this time too. No, all what it means is just touch the moving average. When it bounced, I will buy, but if it didn't, I will not. Anyway, moving averages, volume, and the MACD. And if we look, the market has been going up like straight up since 2013, just up, right? So now, let's see. I'm expecting also the indicators to be also moving up, but this is not the case. The volume is actually trending down, and if you look lately, especially when the QE finally ended, look, when the market moves down, like in this area here in September and October, it moved down. It was a big, ugly move. People just forget, and think the market went up forever since 2012. It's not true. Just people forget those facts. It went down for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. That's a whole month. And it was painful. People were screaming. This never happened before in the past 2 years. 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, only week or two down, and then the market moves up again. People got used to this, and then when this happened in October, people really freaked out. But look what's happening. It moved down on a higher volume. The volume keep going up. And then when it moved up, and this was a big move right after, I think, Fitball came out and said, no, maybe we can actually extend QE. Everybody went, and drank the Kool-Aid again and start buying stocks. And look what's happening when the stocks were going up. The volume was trending down. Even like the end of 2014 and the beginning of 2015, you see what the volume is happening? You see this big red right here? You see when the market is moving up, you see what's happening? So what's telling me is people are selling, and this is actually not the little guy. And by the way, if you are watching, any, not only my video, any YouTube video about stock market, you are a little guy. People, the big guys, go to Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and take advices from them. They don't go on YouTube and listen to whoever on YouTube for advices. I don't know how big that person is on YouTube. But anyway, the little guys don't do this. This is the big guys. This is the hedge fund manager. This is the banks that getting money for free to trade in the stock market. They are the one who do this. We do not do this. This volume is not us. Those are the banks and the hedge fund. And what it's telling me that they are quietly getting out. They are not selling heavily yet, but they are quietly getting out. They do not also want to crash the market, because when you have 1 million shares of Apple and you want to sell them, and you sold them, dump them all at once, you and another bank and another bank and another bank, few millions shares of Apple will crash big time. So they sell slowly. And this is obvious in the volume here. Also look at the MACD. The MACD is trending down while the stock market is going up. So what does this mean? This means the market is going to crash? Not necessary. All what it means is just flashing yellow. Be careful. So now, but you have to be biased to the upside. This is my point. You have to see if the market stabilizes here and start moving higher, you need to change your mindset and start buying stocks again. If the market went down, if it did break this support, on the daily chart, maybe we can even see it better. You see here, in the daily chart, there is not that nice uptrend anymore. What we see is just a big mess. Up, down, up, down, up, down. People cannot make their mind. This is volatility. Some people are great in trading volatility. Some people suck in trading volatility. If you suck at trading volatility, just don't trade it. Don't try to be, you know, a hero and try to do something that you are not trained or equipped to do. Just stay on the sideline, wait for the waves to calm down, then take your canoe and just cruise with everybody else. You don't have to trade this market if you losing money in it. So this is a very important support. 1975 right here is a very important support. If the market broke this 1980 or something, our next level of support is right down here, which is a big move. 1825, 1975 is a big move. That's more than 150 points or 150 points. And this is gonna make people think, oh, it's head and shoulders, and this is, you know, the right shoulder, this is the head, this is the left shoulder here, and then boom, and the selling is just gonna keep increasing. But as of now, the market is trying to find directions. They do not know where to go. People buy, then another people come and sell. People buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. They do not know. There is a fight, and when there is a fight, what you do, you go to your house, you look from the window and see what's going on. When the fight ends, you come out. You do not come out in the middle of the fight because you're just gonna get injured or killed. Um, and just stay in the sideline, didn't do anything. You can nitpick some stocks here and there. I'm trying to make this video as short as I can. It's my first video on YouTube, and I don't want people to say this guy, you know, talks so much. Actually, I do, but I'm gonna try to make it short. So I'm gonna stop here, and I'm gonna make another video talking about gold and dollar.